Yes. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తుండేది what you have seen, this is the solar panel. Specification is the 7 watts 12 volts solar panel. So in this one we are sticking that the sensor module. So this sensor module is there. This is the sensor module. So arrow marks are what I am indicating. When you are keeping this light here, it is this solar panel is going down. So when you are keeping a light comes here, the solar panel is going to that side. So next is here solar panel. So this is come to the left turn and right turn. So we are sticking with the help of gum. So this LDR sensor plate, particularly called as LDR sensor plates. So this sensor plate is going to be rotating all LDRs receiving the equal intensity of light. So then the solar panel becomes constant. It will be stable and it receives that maximum sunlight from this solar panel. It will produces the maximum output power, that is around 7 watts output power is. So here with the help of this gum stick, this can be attached to here. There is a label is there. So here we can attach this one label. So in this way we can attach it. So pressing, so properly it will be stick. So now the solar panel comes like this. So this is about solar panel, 7 watts 12 volts, and this is the LDR sensors. LDR means light dependent resistor, whose resistance of this device depends upon the intensity of light, and it produces the variation of resistance is converting that the light signals. Now I am showing the back side of this solar plate. So here all the wires are there. So nearly 5 wires, one wire is common to all the LDRs, and the individual wires are taken from the individual LDRs. So totally 5 LDR wires, one is common wire and remaining are the other signal wires. So which is directly connected to the this control board. So here this is the control board. This control board. Now I will tell one more thing. The solar panel output. So this the panel, solar panel output is available here, and these two wires are positive and negative. So positive and negative, two wires, solar panel wires are available. So these two solar panel wires are connected to the charging of the battery. So here there is a one. So here you can measure this output voltage with multimeter. It will show that 12 volts output voltage, so during the sunlight. And this, there is a battery. So this is the battery specification. So you can watch this battery specifications. This is the 12 volts 7H battery. So here it's given 12 volts 7H battery, a heavy battery. So this battery can be fully charged with the solar panel. So this is the solar panel. Now this solar panel output wire, this is my solar panel output wire, can be connected to this input of the, so like this we can connect. So it is a detachable battery, so whenever you want you can connect it. So now this battery is going to be charged with the solar panel. Okay, and this charged battery voltage can be utilized for any purpose, like so whatever the bulbs were provided, so you can give the external power, the stored energy. So solar panel converts light energy into electric energy. So electric energy, it can be stored in the battery. So this stored energy can be utilized for other purpose. Now I am going to give that the same stored battery can be connected to the here control circuit also. That means it is a closed loop circuit. So totally it will be work. So it will be work. That means the power is produced, stored, and the same with the same power it is going to be rotating. So when I am connecting here, so this is going to be connected, working. So here now I am going to show that the demonstration. So in this case, so for this we need some light source. So to put that light properly, we can use that mobile torch, put it here. So then this is going to be varied, and the sensitivity of the turning sensitivity can be adjusted with the help of this sensors. So LDR sensor control circuit will be here. So this LDR control circuit, 4 sensors are there, 4 LDR directions, 1, 2, 3, 4. This according to this directions can be varied. And there is a motor driver. This is called as L298 motor driver is there. So this motor driver receives the signal from the microcontroller. So here microcontroller is the here Atmega 328 microcontroller, usually called as Arduino Nano. So this Arduino Nano is programmed such that it receives that control signals from the sensor modules, and then it will send the signals to rotate that solar panel to the with the help of motor driver. So motor driver has the 2 inputs. So here there are 2 motors are there. So here this is the one motor control, the other motor is there. So one motor, this motor is controls that motor in azimuth angle, that means horizontal directions. It is going to be rotating like this, one motor. The other motor is going to be rotating vertical directions. So it is moving like this, vertical moving. So depending upon this direction. Okay, now I will show the demonstration. See. Now you can see it. So now we are putting this the LDR. So that is rotating like this. Now the upper one. So this is in this directions. So now in this corner, if you are putting this, so after before something is going to be recharged. So here it comes like this. First so here 4 sensors filters it. So this sensor is going up. See here going up, and next sensor. So filters. It comes like that. So this sensor is rotating in horizontal directions. Next this side sensor so this sensor is rotating. Arrow mark comes arrow mark. So this is rotating in reverse directions. Okay, arrow mark also. So this is going to be upward. So that side. So see, this is last side also. So individually you can check that things. So when the sunlight is sufficient, sunlight is there, so then it will be rotating. So for example, if I take this one, it comes rotated and stopped here. Next, when I am rotating, so sun is going downward. The sun is going like this. So sun is moving like this, it will be rotating. So when the sun comes like this, so here, just wait. So this you can put like this. So sun moving like this. So sun is going here. Okay. Suppose sun is going on this side. So like this. And it stop here. Or otherwise you can move like this side.
Okay.
Comes like this. So these two corners are up and down, and these two corner sensors are the horizontal and vertical.
Okay.
Sun comes over this side.
Okay.
You can take care of these wires. Okay, that's all. This is the operation. So in this motor is rotating horizontal directions, and these two motors are connected in parallel. So these two motors show this way. ಈ motors
ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ
ಇವೆರಡು ಮೋಟರ್ಸು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಮೋಟರು, ಸೊ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಮೋಟರ್. ಸೊ ಟೂ motors are connected here for the single one. Microcontroller Arduino Nano board. So you have to take care of the, in project report you have to mention that this battery capacity, so this is the 12 volt 7.2Ah, and here indicator indicating that, so whenever there is no, say here, no light, that means dark light is there, so there is no charging. This charging indicator, this LED. So when the sufficient light comes, this LED will glow very bright. So when this will be covered during night time, it won't charge, battery won't charge. But whereas the power is taken from the battery, that will be run by the motor. So it is a closed loop circuit completely. Okay. So the voltage is 12 volts. So mainly it consisting of solar panel to convert the sunlight into electric energy. So sensor unit to detect that direction of the sun. Next one is the, so here this one is control unit, sensor unit. So sensor unit, here the sensor adjust, sensitivity can be adjusted with the help of a screwdriver or some other things. So this type of small screwdriver is used to adjust this sensitivity. So suppose when the light comes, so this particular things will be there, but don't use this one. This sensitivity can be adjusted according to your light intensity. So here 4 adjustments are there available. So and here there is a nano. So this is the nano, so microcontroller unit. So sensors unit and driver unit, motor driver unit, and nano unit, and motors. So motors to rotate the thing, and this is the teeth wheel. So this is all the some of the important information about this. So take stop now. 40 minutes.